Welcome to lowkeypd. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new scene to a Google Vids project. So let's say you're working on a Google Vids project and you need to add a new scene to your video. So there's a couple of different ways to do that. You can go to Insert and then down here, New Scene. You can do that. You can go to Scene and click on Plus New Scene. Or this little plus button right here does the same thing. So there's 3 different ways to add a new scene. Once you realize you need a new scene, what you're going to want to do is take the playhead down here and move it to the end of the scene, or really anywhere in the scene that will be the one before the new scene you want to insert. So when I add a new scene here, it will put it in between this scene and this scene. So I want to make sure my playhead is in the right spot. Click plus. And voila, there is my new scene. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching lowkeypd.